what do you think about the bills and everything that's been sort of proposed on the U.S. side and the uncertainty that it brings to the market? Because I don't know how true this is, but I heard that the market as a whole doesn't like uncertainty. And maybe that's another factor to add on to the factors that we talked about earlier as a reasoning to why Bitcoin and crypto in general hasn't really seen that bull run, and why stocks are, I haven't been really following stocks too much, but I've seen the fluctuation between a lot of tech stocks currently. And I think it's all due to the uncertainty of just what's going on right now. What are your thoughts on that?
So let me ask you a question. Do you like uncertainty?
No.
And that's all the stock market is. It's just your hopes and fears. The stock market is not some magic machine that I mean, yeah, there's algorithms, but ultimately there's people behind those algorithms that have set parameters of what they're willing to lose and what they're wanting to gain. So when you have 200 plus $1 trillion of boomer money that's going to be transferred over and they're in retirement, and they're hearing because they're not sophisticated investors. Oh, I should buy Bitcoin. They buy this Bitcoin ETF or Ethereum ETF or whatever, and then Trump is like, we're gonna tariff everybody. That's just fear. That has nothing to do with Bitcoin. That's fear. That's why when the tariffs were supposed to get enacted on Monday at midnight for Canada and Mexico, everything crashed. Crypto crashed first because it's 24/7. Monday the stock markets crashed, but then he's like, no, forget it. 30 days, no tariff, and everything
Yeah.
went back up. All the stock market is, all cryptocurrencies, all of the forex exchange, for the most part, are the hopes and fears of people. So if you feel uncomfortable with something in the markets, no, that's how not everybody. A lot of people in the markets are feeling too.
Yeah, and I agree with that and that whole sentiment. And the reason why, again, I brought that up is going back to Jar's question before on why we haven't seen that bull run case for Bitcoin in general is
Yeah.
primarily due to that uncertainty that you just explained wonderfully, by the way. But that's all I kind of wanted to bring up.
Yeah. Look, I said this before in one of the shows. Bitcoin is not money. Bitcoin is an investment. It's a wealth generating asset. And that's how most of the world sees it. The true believers, and I used to be a true believer. I used to be a Bitcoin maxi. I've changed my views. I think it's the best investment to invest in. You can dollar cost average, but I'm in all gold and silver now, and gold's been pumping. It's been winning. Um,
It is.